Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with lines and angles. Exercise 16b. Here is our third question. In the following figure, the arrows indicates parallel lines. State which angles are equal and give reason. So this is the diagram that they have given. This is the two parallel lines which is indicated with arrows on one end. This is a transversal line because it is intersecting the two lines at certain point. And they have given the angle A, B, C and D, and they are asking us to find which angles are equal among them and explain it with reason, right? If you have a look over here, you can clearly understand that A and C, this both are equal because as per the definition, the interior alternate angles are equal. Angle A and angle C together forms interior alternate angle. Let me explain you how to remember this. Angle A and C are interior alternate. As I said you, these two are parallel lines and a line, that is transversal line, is cutting this two parallel lines. So at each point of intersection, that is here it's A is towards the interior side and C is also towards the interior side. What is interior means? Which is inside these two parallel lines is said to be interior, right? So A and C are interior and C it's alternate. This is towards the left side and this is C is towards the right side. See, one is left and another is right. Interior, both are interior and alternate angles. So this is a simple way to remember. I am just teaching you how to remember this angles. Okay. I hope it's clear how to identify this, whether this angle A and C are interior alternate angles or not. Right. In description box you can find the link where I have explained each and every angles and how to remember them easily. So angle A and angle C, right? Now let's consider another angle, that is angle B and angle C. This both, if you have a look over here, this one of this line is intersecting. These two lines are intersecting at a particular point, this, right? So when they are intersecting, the opposite angles, see B and C are opposite to each other, vertically opposite, right? And always vertically opposite angles are equal. As per the definition, the vertically opposite angles are equal. See that when two lines are intersecting, one angle will be formed over here and over here. This both are vertically opposite, and even this angle and this angle are vertically opposite to each other. That means these two angles are vertically opposite to each other and these two angles are vertically opposite to each other. And this vertically opposite angles are formed when two lines intersect at a point. See here, this line and this line. These two lines are intersecting at a point. So angle B and angle C are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, angle A and angle B. This both are corresponding angles. How to identify corresponding angle is, see, when two parallel lines are intersected with a transversal line. This is a transversal line and this both are parallel lines, right? So on this transversal line, you can find two intersecting point over here and here is another intersecting point. So this corresponding angles are formed on the two intersecting lines, that is angle A. See, one more is angle A is interior and angle B is exterior. It is outside the parallel line. A is inside the parallel lines. So one is interior and one is exterior and they are formed at two intersecting points. See, A is formed at this intersecting point, B is formed at this intersecting point. and in between, see, here you can find one more angle. Just look at my cursor. Here one more angle is there, and there is a gap between these two. In a corresponding angle, there will be a one more angle left over. This is one more angle formed, and it is A, and this is B. A is interior, B is exterior, and this corresponding angles are formed at two different intersecting points. Right? One is formed over here, another is formed over here. So from this three corresponding angles, we can say that A is equal to C, C is equal to B, and B is again equal to A. That means angle A, B, C are equal, right? So the angles at A, B, C, these three angles are equal. I hope it's very here. These two are the parallel lines, and this is a transversal line. They have given some angles. So this is the diagram which they have given, and from this we need to identify the angles. Here firstly, angle X and Y. This both are vertically opposite angle, because see, there is two lines intersecting at a certain vertex, right? This is the intersecting point which is called as vertex, and this X and Y are exactly opposite to each other. So these both are vertically opposite angle, and even here L and N, this both are also vertically opposite angle, because this line and this line intersect at a particular point, and for that L and M are the vertically opposite to each other. Similarly, M and K is also vertically opposite, but we will do it little later. And here Y and L, this both are forms alternate angles, and it is neither interior alternate angle nor exterior alternate angle, because here one is interior and another is exterior. If both are towards interior, then it becomes interior alternate angle. If both are towards the uh, outside of this parallel line, then it is exterior alternate angle. And one more thing is, those should be, one should be on the right and another should be on left, then only it will be a interior or exterior alternate angle. Here they are alternate. See, this one is towards the downer side and L angle is on the top side. It is alternate to each other, right? So it is called as alternate angles, and alternate angles are always equal. And similarly, X and L are the corresponding angle. As I have already said you, for corresponding angle, this corresponding as angle is formed at the two intersection point. This is one intersection point and this is one intersection point, and they are forming at the different intersection points, right? Two intersection points, two different intersection points, and that too both should be on the same side, right? Towards the same side, X and L. So it forms a corresponding angle. And in between them, you can find one more angle over here, right? So always for a corresponding angle, in between them, there will be one more angle over here, right? So X and L forms a corresponding angles, and always the two corresponding angles are equal. Next, N and angle R are equal, because even this forms corresponding angle. See here children, both are on the same side, and these two angles are formed at the two different intersection points. See here, it is having this intersection point, and here this R is having another intersection point, and in between them there is another angle formed over here. See. So this is a small hints through which you can find corresponding angles easily, and it is easy to remember. When you keep on practicing it, you can understand it very clearly. So from this points we can say, see here, x is equal to y, right? X is equal to y, then y is equal to L. So y is equal to L, and then L is equal to again x, right? And L is equal to N. L is equal to N, and again N is equal to R. As because they are interrelated with each other, we can simply say that angle X is equal to angle Y is equal to angle L is equal to angle N is equal to angle R. That means all these angles will be equal. Next, angle M is equal to angle Y. As I said you before itself, we will do it little later. I have already explained this is the two lines intersecting at a point, and M and K are vertically opposite to each other. So angle M is equal to angle Y. That means whatever the angle M is having, that is degree, it might be 60 or 30 or 20. So angle K will also be 20 degree. I hope you understood this. And similarly, angle K. Angle K is equal to angle Q, because even they are corresponding angles. Look over here, they both are on the same side, right? They both are on the same side, and in between them there is one more angle. Look here, there is one more angle, right? These are the small hints through which you can find the corresponding and what type of angle it is. So K and Q are always equal because they both are corresponding angles. I hope it's very clear. So from this, M is equal to K and K is equal to Q. That means M is equal to K is equal to Q. Right? I haven't explained this vertical angle over here because in this you cannot relate M and Y over here, right? That's why I have just uh, neglected it over here and explained it with the second point. I hope it's very clear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for geometry, lines and angles. Thank you.